Croeso I Bencadlys Cymdeithas Pwydiog Cymru yng Nghaerdydd am y cwpan ieuenctid. Welcome to the Football Association of Wales headquarters in Cardiff for today's FAW Youth Cup draw. We had a total of 68 teams, a marginal increase on last season, entering the competition, and we've got 16 teams in today's qualifying round draw. This will be made up of 3 draws, one for the south, one for the north and one for the southwest. To be joined by the FAW President, Mr. David Griffiths, and David will conduct the draw, drawing both home and away teams. We're going to start with the qualifying round south with Aberfali, AFC Llwyd, Brecon Northcote, Cardiff Academicals, Cogan Coronation, FC Cwmaman, Garw and STM Sports. So 8 teams, 4 ties. David, if you'd like to start the draw. And the first team out is Cogan Coronation. And they will play Aberfali. AFC Llwyd. And they will play STM Sports from Cardiff. Brecon Northcote, their senior team, promoted to the Spa Mid Wales this year. And travelling to South Powys will be FC Cwmaman. Garw, so a home draw in the Llynfi Valley, and they will play Cardiff Academicals. We'll move swiftly on. Just 2 teams in the qualifying round north draw. That's Kevin Albion and Coed Poeth United, both from the Wrexham area. And the home team will be Coed Poeth United. And the away will be Kevin Albion. And the final draw will be the southwest draw. The teams in this: Ffostrasol Wanderers, Garden Village, Llanilla, Mumbles Rangers, Newcastle Emlyn and Ynys y Gerwin. And the first team out is Ynys y Gerwin. Their club president, the Wales international Ben Davies. And they will play Mumbles Rangers. Newcastle Emlyn. And travelling to Newcastle Emlyn will be Garden Village. And the final home tie is for Ffostrasol Wanderers. And they will play against Llanilla. So quite a local derby there. So a quick recap on the draw. Cogan Coronation versus Aberfali. AFC Llwyd versus STM Sports. Brecon Northcote versus FC Cwmaman. And Garw versus Cardiff Academicals. In the north, Coed Poeth versus Kevin Albion. And in the southwest, Ynys y Gerwin versus Mumbles Rangers, Newcastle Emlyn versus Garden Village, and Ffostrasol Wanderers versus Llanilla. Those ties are to be played on Sunday, the 3rd of September. Tune in later for the JD Welsh Cup and the FAW Women's Cup draws.